Hey boss, the viewer, here is an Arduino motor shield controller. It gives Arduino Uno the capacity to run a powerful motor like motors up to 36 voltage of rating. To assemble this means the shield and then the Arduino you have to see to compare the notch and then connect where the notches are assembling. You see this one is the same as this one, then you insert it like this, and you see that it correctly assemble with the when you finish connecting. Here you have the ability to control the motors, how many motors this shield can run. You see that it is having like M1 and M2. There you can connect a stepper motor means there are stepper motors that have like 4 phases. Then here you have M1, then M2. There also you can connect another stepper motor. To mean this can control up to 2 stepper motor and then 4 DC motors, 4 general purpose DC motors. Means here can be for M1, M2. For M2 there you can connect one motor, then M1 also you can connect one DC motor, M3, then M4. It has also the slot for servo motors. They can run up to 2 servo motor means servo 1, then servo 2. The component of this, as clearly seen here, you see there we have shift register, which gives the ability to control or to extend the output of this two H bridge IC. Means those two H bridge IC are this one which are 1 L293D, then the second one there which is also L293D, and those are the H bridge IC that used to control the connected motors. This one is like a pull down resistors. It's a series of pull down resistors that is used to maintain the output of motor low. So this black component is a series of pull down resistors that are used to maintain the motor low, waiting for the pulses from Arduino. See here there are capacitors either for decoupling or coupling the DC voltages. Then here we have a green LED there that is used for power indication, means when the shield is powered either by external voltage or voltage from Arduino, it indicates that the power is available. Then here we have the yellow jumper. That jumper is used to jump, means to bridge the power from Arduino to the shield or from the shield to the Arduino. Means you can use one power. For example, you connect this terminal block is used for the input of is used for inputting the power, the DC power. You see it is external power. Then you can, when this jumper is on or is closed, it will bridge the Arduino to the external power from the shield, or it can bridge also the power from Arduino to feed directly the shield without connecting external power here. Let's see this module in action. Yes, you see here I have the setup which is done. Let me try to stray away. You see that I have the Arduino and shield connected. I connected the servo motor to one of servo pin. Then I am running like 3 motors. These are 3 wheel motor which are mainly used in robotics, means Arduino robotics. So this can facilitate you also to build like a robot. This shield can use it to control either 4x4 robot, or you can prefer to use either 2 active motor robot. So you open the Arduino IDE, then you go to tools, open manage library, and then search for Adafruits motor. And by default you will have to install the first one, which is the Adafruits motor shield library version 1. After having the library installed, you will go to example, then find for other fruit motor sheet, then open motor party example. After having the motor party example loaded, then download it to your Arduino, and then here is how the results will be looking like. Okay, then as I finished uploading the code, you see here I have that jumper wire which is used to bridge the power from the external power that will power the motor also to power the Arduino. So I have here a 9 volts. Here I have a 9 volts power supply. Then the motors are already connected. Then the servo motor also is ready. Then I downloaded the code which is called the motor party, of course gotten from that library we downloaded before. I downloaded it to Arduino. Then see when I try to plug it, you see that each motor runs according to what's in code. You see each motor is trying to run according to what's in the code. Also the servo motor, you see that it is also moving according to what is written in the code. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribe and turn on the notification for new uploaded videos.